So this is going to be a quick video of how to install the M4 buffer tube adapter onto your KWA MP9. This is going to be pretty short, so there's going to be a lot of cuts, so it's not 6 minutes long. But basically, you have a tiny screw you need to take off right here, which would be this guy. So you'll take that out, and then you can take off your stock, your MP9 stock. Your order for this M4 buffer tube adapter will come with the actual adapter itself and also the locking nut or the castle nut. So the castle nut is mil spec, not com spec, not AEG spec, it's mil spec. So how do you install your buffer tube? Your mil spec buffer tube, which is not included, by the way. You will have to get this on your own. How to install it? You put the castle nut in the slot. You hold on to the castle nut. Now you could hold on to the castle nut with your fingers or your pliers. There might be a point where you need to hold it on with pliers or something just to tighten it down all the way. But you just really screw it down all the way until it's nice and tight. Now, if you want it to be indexed, it might take a couple tries, or you might just need to screw it in a lot. What I mean by indexed is if you are really particular about the symmetry or having that in the dead middle, just tighten it. So what you do next is put that on, make sure the holes align properly. I'm going to put in the steel pin first, so that way it holds in place. It's a lot easier when the camera's not in the way and you don't have to worry about getting good angles for video. So you take your original stock pin, screw, you'll put it in, and then you screw it in with your Allen key. And that is it.